I just finished doing a photo shoot with my roommate, Anna, current roommate, and this is the look. We've been doing like a photo shoot series on life in quarantine. So we did a photo shoot in the bath with like my face mask and bubbles and like a fake martini, and it was fun. But now I'm just about to do a Zoom class, but I know I need to film an intro for my failed coffee attempt. I tried to make it earlier and it was such a fail with the whipped coffee because I don't have any instant coffee. So I tried to do this thing where I saw this other YouTuber person make like a syrup out of normal coffee. So you just like reduce it. And okay, sorry, Oliver just walked in. But yeah, it was a huge fail because I don't know why. I guess it was too liquidy, and I don't know why I then had the idea that because my little milk frother, it's like too thick for that. So then I was like, oh well, I'll just put in a little bit of half and half, and that'll like make it thinner and like easier to froth. I don't know why I'm moving my hand so much, but that just made it more liquidy, and then it just like didn't work. So I just decided to make a cappuccino instead out of it, and it was pretty good. I didn't like it that much though because it was like way too sugary. Anyways, I'm talking so much, and this is gonna be kind of a bad video, but like it's really hard to film in quarantine because none of the things I've ordered for videos have arrived. So this is this week's video. I'm so sorry. I don't even know how to do it. I think this is how. That's way too hot. Okay, that didn't work at all. It's not at all thick enough. There's my cappuccino. Oh wait, here's all the froth. That's what I want. There we go.
Ew.
Use a spoon.
Yeah, use a spoon.
Oh, it's really ugly, but hopefully it'll taste good.
Damn.
Excuse me, I'm trying to do this. You're not being a very good filmer.
What are you trying?
I'm trying to make it pretty. Works.
How is it?
It's just really sweet.
Oh,
You want to try it?
yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, I do. If you don't want, I'll take it.
Yep. I don't know. I want a couple sips. Okay, so I hope you guys somewhat like enjoyed that video. Send me pictures if you try to make the whipped coffee. Next time I do my instant cart order, I'll definitely order some instant coffee and try it again, because I think that was like what went wrong, but that's okay. I tried. So yeah, that's this video. I will see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.